Okay, what do they say over here? Prove that this quantity plus this quantity is equal to 2 by sine square a minus 1, right? So the moment I look at the right side, right, if you see over here, it is, right, it's already in the format of sine square a minus cos square a. This is in the format of sine square a minus cos square a. Okay, so let's leave it. Let's look at the LHS. What do you have? LHS is equal to sine a plus cos a divided by sine a minus cos a. Mostly it is algebra. Mostly it's algebra and trigonometry. So if you are good with algebra, right, your calculations will be much faster. Remember that. Okay. So now let's take the LCM. When you take the LCM, what do you get? You get sine square a minus cos square a. Look at it. This is a minus b into a plus b. So it will give you a square minus b square. That's why I've written it directly. So this becomes sine a plus cos a ka whole square, and this becomes sine a minus cos a ka whole square. Look at it. Okay. So now let's go ahead. Now again, you can treat this one as a. You can treat this as a, and you can treat this as b, right? If this quantity is a and this quantity is b, it gives you a square plus b square. What is the formula of a square plus b square? I can do a plus b ka whole square minus 2 times ab, right? I can do that. So let's use that one. So if this is a, right, let's write it like this. Sine a, I can go ahead and expand this. I can go ahead and expand it this and basically what you can cancel it out. But I'm going to use this formula so that it becomes easier to calculate. So this becomes sine. This is a cos a. I have written cos a plus b. B is sine a minus cos a. So, okay, whole square. And minus, it will be 2 times this into this again. This into this will give you sine square a minus cos square a. Look at it, right? Divided by, now you have a sine square a minus cos square a. But you need to only, the denominator only in sine. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to replace the cos with 1 minus sine square a. I can do that because cos square a plus sine square a is equal to 1. So I'm reaching there. Okay. So here what happens? Cos a gets cancelled over here. So you're left with sine a over here. 2 sine a. 2 sine a ka whole square is 4 sine square a. And what do you get over here? You're getting minus 2 sine square a minus 2 sine square a plus 2 cos square a. And in the denominator, you're getting, it has, what do you get? When you open this one will become plus sine square a. So this becomes 2 sine square a, 2 sine square a minus 1. So I have already reached the denominator. I need to resolve this. When you do 4 sine square minus 2 sine square, you'll get 2 times sine square a plus cos square a divided by 2 sine square a minus 1. What is this quantity? That is 1. So you are basically getting 2 divided by 2 sine square a minus 1, which is equal to RHS proved. This is how you do it. Okay. So it's mostly algebra. When you do trigonometry, it's a combination of algebra plus identities. Okay. If you're good with these 2 topics, right, these should be a cakewalk in your exams. It should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes to solve these problems in boards. Remember that one, if you're good with trigonometry.